Welcome back. So yesterday we made these clay discs and this was the project I'm trying to get finished. You can see it's a nice little silver disc with a little daisy pattern. You can see the shrinkage actually. This is how much it shrinks once it has been fired. So this video is about how we drill the holes and also smooth the edges. So I've just got some 5000 grit wet and dry paper, and I just like to go around all the edges. It's probably not great to video this really, but go around all the edges, smoothing any lumps and bumps, anything what might be a little bit rough against the skin, because it's really hard to do this once the clay has been fired. It's better to do it now. You can break the clay at the moment, so you do have to treat it with a little bit of care. So I'm just going to go around and do that on every single disc, which will take me a while, so I won't film the whole lot. As I said yesterday, I use a texture mat for the back, so I don't really need to do anything with that. I'm quite happy how it looks. I put these little holes in yesterday, but then as you can see, that'll probably close up when we fire. So I've just got this little hand drill, and this is really good at getting through and drilling the holes. I've never needed anything more than this. This little hand drill is absolutely fine. What I tend to do is go from the back as well, so you've got a decent size hole. I will have to use a little drill on my Dremel once the clay has been fired and it is real silver, because just to fit the jump ring through, but this is a really good start. And you can see we've got some really prominent holes now. It's looking a little bit wonky, so I'm just going to do a little bit more work and make it look a little bit more round shape. But that's how I prepare my discs, my silver clay, before firing.